Luckily, I managed to get my bike up the pavement and put a parked car between me and the drunk, so he couldn't get me. Pretty intense.
Focus. Your users, don't be surprised by their bad health after that. I'm not playing with their...
No one to fill my position. As soon as I knocked the words, you could see the
There you go. Better late than never.
Like, always get explicit consent before sending people automated replies or direct messages. Immediately respect requests to opt out of being contacted by you. Never perform
Manual recording will now start.
What we've basically said in our past segments.
Yeah.
Hearing it from him.
Exactly. Yeah, college is just for these rich people to make more money.
It's for stupid kids to get messy people. In my opinion, but look, you got these stories definitively reported, witnesses saying this stuff. Check this out. FBI in January investigating whether Ilhan Omar married her.
Strawberries and 3 grams of cocaine. It appears she did not read past the looking demon. In accounts dating back in history, I've actually read a theory that Henry Fuseli's The Nightmare is a depiction of a similar experience.
The average temperature is now 100 degrees Celsius. What kind of people is this?
This game is actually incredibly enjoyable, and I love seeing, the Halo universe seen from a different perspective.
This garbage truck's headed.
Don't react. Oh, that guy.
Manual recording will now start.
Before trying to remove them, so I wouldn't tear them completely apart.
3 meals a day and still look good. All you need is this expensive saran wrap and pills that give you diarrhea. I can see that.